y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl iLife here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup for you guys. Now I'm not exactly sure even what colors I'm going for, or I don't have a specific look that I'm going for, but I guess we'll just find out as we go. And I guess that's all the intro we really need because what's new, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna start off by priming our face with our Fenty Beauty. And y'all, I think I've said this before, but this is literally my favorite primer, and I will never, ever use another one. So I already have my eyebrows done just from waking up and going to school this morning. So I'm not going to be doing that, but if you guys want an updated tutorial on that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and I will make sure to do that for you guys. So I think we're just going to be sticking with our Morphe 35V palette. Sorry, my palette's a little bit messy, but like, do y'all see this right here? You know what? I feel like I might already have one of these on my channel, or I might have a few, I'm not really sure. But I think I'm gonna go with another soft glam look. Please do not come for me. If y'all are tired of seeing these looks, let me know. Alright, here's the thing, I'm not a makeup professional. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just go on the whim and I try to make it all blend and make sure it all looks correct. So, we're gonna try a cut crease today. So, we're just going to dig into what I think is going to work. So when I do my makeup, I like going really light at first, like not doing too much pigment, because you can always add more, and I think that's just like a really good tip that I learned, and I think that's like something everybody should know, is that you can always add more, but it's really hard to take away. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a smaller brush and a little bit of a darker color, and I'm gonna go in and really define my crease. And now I'm going to start cutting my crease with my Shape Tape concealer. This is going to take forever, and it always does. I just want to say I think that might be the best cut crease I've done in a really long time. Okay, now once your concealer or whatever you use to cut your crease is finished drying, I'm going to go back in with the shade that I used to cut my crease, the darker shade out of the two that I used. I'm going to put it on the outside and blend it a little bit in towards the middle, but not too far in towards the middle, and definitely not into the corner. Okay. Now with a tinier brush, I'm going to go in and define under my eye with probably the lighter color, but I might do a mix of both. My right eye always looks so much better than my left eye. But the cool thing is that we're going to put on lashes, and once you put on lashes, it covers up basically all of your mistakes, so it really doesn't even matter. Now we're going to go in and attempt to do this wing with a glitter liner and see if I destroy this entire eye look that I've created. Mama, come here and sit down, let's talk. I'm ammunition for both of us. Have a long time to say that Something I love about this glitter eyeshadow that you can use on your lips too, is that it's like, when you're looking straight, you can't really see the wing, but once you turn your head, bitch. Huh. Okay, now I'm having like extreme anxiety because I really don't think I'm gonna be able to get the other eye the same, and let's just pray. Now we're gonna go in under our brow bone and we're gonna highlight. Finally, for the last step for the eyes, I think I got it all covered. I'm going to be going in with my Heartbreaker Tarte lashes. Ooh, girl, I'm so excited to put these on. I just bought these today, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really just I want some hype shit to put these on. Oh my god, these are about to be so beautiful. I really hope I don't have to cut these because I hate cutting lashes. It gives me so much anxiety. I'm also going in with black lash glue because I don't mess with white lash glue because no. Now we're gonna give that a good few seconds to get tacky. We're gonna put these lashes on and we're gonna come back looking like a bad bitch. We can keep it on the low, so nobody has to know. Oh, I'm fucking living. What the fuck? Okay, beach, we got our lashes on. We're looking bad as fuck or whatever. We're not gonna talk about how this lash keeps coming off, but hopefully she stays on. So we're gonna go ahead and beat this face really quick. I already did my primer in the beginning, so that is really all set in now. My skin should be ready to go. We're gonna go ahead with our foundation. Also, if you're using a beauty blender, make sure it is damp. We do not use dry beauty blenders here, okay? That's not cute. Like, just start off with little dots all over my face, and then I just start going in and dabbing all around, you know, making sure all the areas are covered, making sure it's really in there. I should have listened to my intuition. I put myself in this position. It's all my fault. Okay, now giving this a little quick second to dry and do whatever it needs to do, we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty concealer. I mean contour. This is contour, not concealer. This is contour in the shade Mocha, okay? Then for my forehead, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to I always just mix the two darkest shades, and then I go around and contour my forehead the same way I would contour it if I was using a stick contour. So before my camera dies really quick, basically what I'm doing is I'm just not contouring like this middle highlight area of my forehead to just give me that like nice glow. With a foundation brush, I'm gonna go in and blend out all my contour, and then we're going to bake our face. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my NYX finishing powder and my Tarte finishing powder, the same damp beauty blender. I'm going to be baking my chin, my nose, my forehead, under my eyes, and then on the sides of my cheeks for like more definition. Okay, now once your face has been baking for a substantial amount of time, I'm going to go in with the contour brush that I used to contour my forehead, and I'm going to dust off all this powder so we're not looking so ghostly. Okay, so for some final touches, I'm going to highlight, and we're going to go in with our Anastasia's Glow Kit. So I mix Summer and Moonstone. Sometimes if I'm feeling crazy, I just go around and mix all of them. Okay, we're going to highlight these cheekbones. Okay, so something I realized that I never did was mascara. So I'm gonna go in with mascara. It doesn't really look like I need any on the top to like blend it into my lashes, but I'm just gonna go in on my bottom lashes. For our last step, we're gonna go in with our Max Fix Plus Prep and Prime spray. Now, I have been like with Urban Decay's De-Slick setting spray since the beginning. Like, that was the first setting spray I ever started using, and I still freaking love them. But I decided to try something new. I've never used Mac Fix Plus, but I've heard amazing things about it. So today we're gonna use it and we're gonna see. Alright y'all, so this was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I would really appreciate that. I'm trying to get more on this video shit, okay? Y'all know I've been slacking. I keep slacking. I am trying to force myself to continue to not slack. I feel like I give this talk at the end or beginning of every one of my videos, but we finna be on that shit, okay? like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!